Okay, hello, this is Paul, and today I'm going to show you how you can record your screen together with your webcam using OBS Studio. Okay, so let's get right to it. My OBS Studio is already opened, so if you have it open like this, you can just quickly, so this is the window for recording your screen. You can go to this plus button here, click on it, then choose display capture. So this will just capture the whole display, your whole screen. Let's go to OK. So this is just capturing my desktop now. This is just capturing my desktop. So if I want to add a webcam, and if I add it, you see my face soon. You go to video capture device. So video capture device. Okay, you can change the name here to maybe webcam 1, or you can leave it as default. So go to OK. Okay, so we have the settings here. Good. Yes, that's my face. You have the settings here. If you have different webcams, you can choose which type of webcam. Usually I have another webcam on my phone installed, so that is the direct camera here, but this time around it's not connected, so I can just use the integrated PC webcam. You can change any of the settings here if you want, but I usually don't mind it. So let's go to OK. So you can see now my screen is here and my webcam is here. Okay, good. Let's get to it. So this screen of this webcam window can be adjusted. I can move it. Right now it's at the top left. I can move it to the top right. I can move it to the bottom left, sorry, and then move it to the bottom right. Okay, usually people prefer it to be here, so I also think I'll prefer it to be here. Then you can adjust the size also, make it as big as you want or as small as you want. Okay, like this. Ta-da! That's good. So now if you are okay, you are satisfied with everything, you can go to start recording, and that will start recording your screen. Okay, now my screen is being recorded, but you see, so assuming I have a tutorial that I want to teach like this. Okay, so my face should be showing, if I'm not wrong, my face should still be showing on the bottom right of the screen whilst I teach this tutorial. So I just move it around a bit, and whilst I'm teaching people how to make this cool design, yes, you can also contact me for this cool design. Whilst I'm teaching people how to make this cool design, you can also see my face at the bottom right of the screen, so that it gives that connection that we are learning from someone in person, not just from a computer. So after the design, if I'm okay with the recording, I can go back to my OBS Studio. You can also hit F9, I think. I'm not sure I remember, but I can also hit F9. Let me see, so that you can stop recording. But if that's not the case, let me see. So output, okay, show hotkeys. So to stop recording, you can also hit F9. But I'm using another recorder which also uses the same short keyboard shortcut, which is also F9. So I don't know if I hit F9 to stop both recordings. So let me just click on stop recording here, and automatically your video is recorded. I'll just play it back for you to see. Okay, so you should find out the default location of your video. Okay, so for mine, it's, let me see, PC is a bit slow. For mine, this is my default location. This is my default location where the video will be put. So it's just my videos and video editing. So let me go to my videos and video editing. So go to my videos and video editing. Okay, so it should be saved with It should be the latest video, which I think is this, because the time is 5:03. Yes, so it should be this. Let's open it and play it and see how it is. Open with. So you can see my face at the bottom right of the screen. Yes, my PC is very slow because of the softwares I've opened. But that is it. That is how to record your webcam and screen with OBS Studio. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.